Hello and welcome back to Sherwood Park Toyota. Today we're taking a look at a 2023 Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro in the color Solar Octane. Let's take a look. So starting up front here with our LED headlights and the customary daytime running lights. As you can see, we have these Rigid Industries branded fog lights up front. And we also have this front-facing camera just above your logo. Cool thing that you might notice is we have the TRD branding inside of our headlights here, and we also have our hood scoop up front. Moving along to the sides here, we have our beautiful TRD branded alloy wheels, and then we have the factory tube steps as well with our side mirrors with integrated turn signal and blind spot monitoring. And if you look underneath, you'll notice an additional camera which adds to the surround view camera effect here. You may notice that all of your rear windows here do come with factory tinting, and we have this beautiful hard tonneau cover over top of your bed here. So coming up to the back, of course, if you look on your handle next to your logo, you have your backup camera. And of course, to open up the back, simply open up your handle and it has this soft open. Take a quick look inside here. Nice thing that you might notice is this additional power outlet in the back, which can be very helpful. And we also have up top here an additional bed light. Of course, to close up the back here, simply reach and lift up your tailgate. Next, let's take a look at the inside. So you'll notice we have the TRD Pro branding inlaid there. Taking a look in our back seat area here, you'll notice all of the upholstery is this beautiful textured black leatherette with this orange stitching throughout as well. If you take a look, you'll notice a back pouch on your passenger side seat and some cup holders on the back of the console, in addition to the ones inside of the door here. Moving forward, inside of your driver's door, of course, on the panel, we have our power windows for the front, the back, and your child safety lock, plus the power lock system and side mirror controls. Your driver's side seat does have a power adjustable settings, up, down, back, forth, and your lumbar support. And of course, if you're looking for your hood release latch, located on the bottom left-hand side of your dash. Above that, we have the controls for that rear bed lighting, as well as for your headlights, the power wattage for that rear power outlet, beautiful clutch start for this manual. Anyone who drives a stick knows that this can really come in handy. And then we've got our traction control and our surround view cameras as well. So let's hop in here. Taking a look at your driver's steering wheel, on the left-hand side here, you'll notice your controls for your radio as well as your volume and your hands-free communication. And on the right-hand side is where you have the controls for your dash, as well as everything for your cruise control, including your sonar and your lane departure as well. In the middle here is your infotainment center. This is where you access much of the information about your daily driving experience, including your navigation here, as well as all of your audio listening. This unit does come with AM, FM, and satellite radio, as well as a full Bluetooth connectivity for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plus that beautiful USB adapter as well. Just under there is where we have your climate control center. This unit has dual climate control so that you and your front passenger here can have your own unique temperature settings. We also have the defrost for your front windshield, as well as your side mirrors located here, and the heated seats for you and your front passenger. Right next to this is where we have your two-wheel high and for low dial. And under this, underneath your stick shift, is where you have your sensor, as well as the control for your rear windshield, which does fully electronically slide. We have that USB adapter, and then this little beautiful button turns on this pad space here, which is actually a wireless charging pad for any compatible devices. And then of course we have the standard 12-volt adapter as well. Take a minute here just to appreciate the rear sight of this manual stick shift, leather, black, with those orange inlaid details as well. So last but not least, looking straight up overhead, Looking on your rear view mirror first here, we have the symbols with the little houses. These are your garage door openers. Above that, we have your sunglasses compartment. We have your traction control options, overhead lighting, and the controls for this sunroof. Thanks again, folks, for joining us on this full video tour of this 2023 Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro in the color Solar Octane. It is located here at Sherwood Park Toyota at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta. You can also reach us at 780-306-7703. And remember, life is full of choices. Let us be yours.